so excited for today. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to a new video. Today we're going to be playing with a lot of new makeup. I'm also going to be doing a look with the Raw Beauty Kristi Pure Minerals palette. Now, if you missed it, I already have eye swatches of every single shadow on both sides of this palette on my channel already. I will link that video down below for you guys. It is a fun one. If you haven't seen my eye swatches, I think they're kind of cool. We try every single shade individually on my eyes so you can really see how they look by themselves. And now today I'm following up with a little eye look. But not only that, I have a ton of new makeup back here that I'm going to include in this video so we can just, see it all. Have some fun. I'm also fighting through a migraine today, so I feel like my vision's a little off, so my eyes look a little funny. Like, if you guys have migraines, you know how it feels. Like, when it's just, like, right here, and your eyes just feel like they can't even open all the way. I think it's probably the lights, to be honest, but I'm pushing through. I wanted to do a video. I hate just sitting at home. So yeah, I have the ColourPop freckle thing. I have a new Too Faced foundation. I have some Jouer blushes. A lot of fun stuff, so let's just get started. So before we try anything, I saw this Boscia Cherry Blossom Resurfacing Lip Repair, and I really wanted this. You're supposed to apply this twice a day, AM and PM, so it's supposed to help repair your lips, which I really need. I have a bad habit of biting my lips and just licking them a lot, so my lips are always extremely chapped. It's a bad habit. Here it is here. So I just wanted to pop this on and give it, oh, it's not, I thought it was gonna be like a wand, but it's not. It's a squeezy tubey. Interesting little rubber tip. Oh, it's pink. Oh, cute. Like a baby pink. Next, let's get into foundation. So first I'm gonna prime my face with the ever so loved Becca Zero foundation. I did do a first impressions on this zero coverage foundation, and this is just me. What I discovered from this, I know that, I know Wayne Goss ripped this apart. He's amazing, isn't he? But I have to say, I really loved it for a primer. That's just how I'm going to continue to use it. I don't want to waste this whole entire jar. I definitely didn't like it as a zero pigment foundation, but I felt like my makeup looked really good on top of it. And again, it's not what it's intended for. They do not say to use it as a primer, but I loved how my foundation looked, and I felt like it stayed on really well throughout the day. So I'm just going to go ahead and finish off this jar using it that way. Next for foundation, this was just sent to me, the Too Faced Born This Way Matte Foundation. 24-hour, undetectable, super long wear foundation. Oil-free, oil-controlling, waterproof, and transfer resistant. I love the original Born This Way foundation, so we'll see how I feel about this bad boy. Also, you guys, I have really good news. I was not planning on sharing now because I didn't think it was going to be delivered ever, but I am giving away one Raw Beauty Kristi eyeshadow palette on my Instagram. Go follow my Instagram. As you're watching this video, I will have the official giveaway post on my Instagram. That Girl Shay XL, I'll link it down below. Go check out that post, read the rules, and you can win your very own Raw Beauty Kristi Pure Minerals palette. I was not even expecting to give one away, but there was a little mix-up. I was one of the ones who kind of had a hard time. I mean, a lot of people had a hard time within the first launch. I'd finally gotten through to ordering around like 3 a.m. I think it was. I can't even remember at this point. And I had never received a shipping confirmation or even an order confirmation. So then later in the week, I received the PR package and I was like, oh my God, I didn't realize I was going to get the PR package. So I was like, is there any way you can just refund me? Because I'd rather the palette that I ordered go to someone who maybe wouldn't get it because I had it and then I would have two, you know what I mean? They messaged me today and they were like, oh, I'm sorry, it's actually already shipped. So then I was like, you know what? Even better. I'll just give it away for free to one of you guys. So definitely go enter that, you guys. I know a lot of people are still wanting this palette, so I'm really excited that one of you are going to get it. You are going to love it, first of all. I don't think I like this foundation very much. I can tell that it's a little more, I just don't like a matte feeling. I prefer a more natural feeling foundation. This is the ColourPop Velvet Sponge, I believe. Yeah, I don't know. I don't like it. It's going to be a no for me. Ew, it doesn't even look right on my skin. It looks cakey. Nope, I am removing this. I can't even, like, finish it. This is a no. Okay, I took off the Too Faced that I do not like, and I reapplied my Becca No Pigment Foundation thing that I'm using as a primer. And then I added the ColourPop Pretty Fresh Hyaluronic Acid Hydrating Foundation. Loving that. And I'm going to use the ColourPop, oh, it's the same thing. ColourPop Pretty Fresh Concealer under the eyes here. This is the shade Light 40 Neutral, which I really like. And now I'm just going to blend that in. I do love this concealer though. The coverage is like, woo, so good. And then I'm just going to set that with some Laura Mercier translucent powder. Just using my same sponge. Sorry, I know this is not new. This is not new and exciting. We're getting there, I promise. So we're gonna take a break from the face and jump into the eyes now. And I have been dying to get into these shades. Where are we gonna go? I really wanna take Moo Point as our transition. I'm thinking, is that going to be interesting? I don't know, we'll see. And I'm just taking my Sigma E35 brush, and I'm using this lightly throughout the crease. Since these are pressed pigments, I don't want to go too deep. I really kind of want to keep the subtleness of this color. I mean, it can be bold if you wanted to, for sure, but I want to kind of keep it a little soft. I don't want it to overwhelm what I want to do on the eyelid itself. Are you guys watching 90 Day Fiancé this season? I mean, there's 1,000 seasons every season. Oh my gosh. All I can say is, if you're watching, this weekend scene with Colt on the beach, as he said, I'm not a baby, as he's literally walking around in like a diaper, was maybe the strangest thing I've seen in my whole life, and I honestly feel bad for him. I don't know why he went on national television in that Speedo on the beach. If you don't watch the show, I'll shut up about it because I don't want to bore you, but please start watching it, and oh my god, I can't believe that poor man. He had to have known Twitter was gonna eat him up. Next, with the same brush, I want to go into the shade Copper Boxes. I love like a one brush tutorial. I will like go out of my way to not have to use multiple brushes for a look. And using this in the crease and also along our transition. Kind of want to blow this out, get a little smoky, but not too dark. I really want the darkest shade to be on the lid. So trying to keep everything in this middle section a little more of a mid-tone. I am going to a virtual baby shower this weekend, and I am so excited. First of all, I do feel awful that it has to be virtual, but I really respect and love my friend who decided to do it virtually. I think that's so great and so responsible. I've had to turn down a few invitations this year. I mean, this summer to different events and things because they were having them, you know, in person, and I don't feel comfortable. I know I think I have a friend who's a little mad at me because I keep turning down all her invitations to things, and I'm just like, oh my god, is no one quite getting it? I'm sure I'm not the only one dealing with that. Let me know if any of your friends are a little annoyed with you because you won't go to any parties or events right now. I'm like, I've only seen my parents once since March. I haven't seen my in-laws since probably February because of everything going on and just wanting to keep them safe and protected. I know they haven't left their house at all. I mean, we've been, you know, ordering groceries and things like that to help out, but I'm like, listen, I'm not going to your little parties when I can't even see my family. No, it's not happening. Not happening. And now on the actual eyelid, I want to take the shade B. This was one of my favorites while live swatching. It is so rich and beautiful, and I just want to pack that on that lid. Oh yeah, she loves a smoky brown eye. Oh my god, you know I do. I can't take the beauty of it. Okay, I made that line a little too harsh, so I'm trying to go around and blend that a little bit, soften that harshness. That color, I can't take it. Okay, I'm gonna go do the same thing to the other eye, and I'll be right back. Do you see that chocolatey goodness? It is beautiful, you guys. Oh my god. Oh, it's been too long since I did a look like this. Okay, next we're going to tightline my lash line with the Marc Jacobs eyeliner pencil in the shade Earthquake. It is my favorite brown eyeliner in the entire world. In the entire world! There's not many Marc Jacobs products that I've used that I'm like, oh my god, yes, holy grail, except for the eyeliners. Their eyeliners are my absolute favorite. They're so good. And lower lash line as well. Feeling sexy. Okay, and I'm gonna smudge that with a little liner brush. This is one of the J. Kissa e.l.f. eyeshadow brushes. Am I filming? Oh god, I am, thank god. I don't remember hitting the record button. And I like to drag it down a little bit like that so it's a little smoky. Same on the side. Okay, now I'm gonna take some B again, and I just want to set that lower lash line. The beautiful B. Christy, you beautiful lady. This is gorgeous. If I do say so myself, which I do. I insist that I'm beautiful. Okay. I don't know if this is new. I was sent this in PR. I've never used this before. This is the Laura Mercier Tight Line Cake Eyeliner. And this makes me super stoked because when I worked at Ulta, to this day, I'll never forget just the lovely older ladies who would come waltzing into Ulta and say, where's the cake liner? I'm looking for the cake liner. What do you mean you don't have cake liner? What do you line with? And you know, there was never a lot of cake liners at Ulta when I worked there, so I'm excited to see a brand bringing back a cake liner, because let me tell you, there's a generation out there just craving their cake liner. I'm just kind of running this along the lash line. It didn't absolutely need it. It's probably not going to make a huge difference, but I just wanted to give it a go. Am I supposed to wet this? I know with a lot of cake liners, you usually wet them. Did I just lose the box completely because I'm an impulsive asshole? And just a little bit on the lower lash line as well. I feel the best when I'm a smoky bitch. Okay. Smoky eyes and thick thighs over here. That's what we're about. Okay, let's get into these. I've been dying to try these. The ColourPop Freckle Pens. I have soft brown and dark brown. Let's start off with soft brown. Through my years of like trying to remove my acne scars, I feel like all of my freckles have like gone away. When I was like much younger, I was so freckly. And I think from all the, you know, acne treatments I've done throughout the years that brighten and lighten your acne scars, I think I've lost most of my freckles. So I'm actually just placing them or trying to place them where I know my natural freckles are. Also, I'm gonna freckle this little guy down here. It's like my witchy mole. I feel like this does not look good on me. I can't tell if I look stupid or not. We'll wait till my whole face is done to judge. Next for bronzer, I have the Ace Beauty Bronzed in Paradise palette. This came in a BoxyCharm, I believe. And very interesting tones in this palette here. Very red toned. Well, especially this one down here. So I'm intrigued. I should probably try the lightest one first. Let's start off lightly and see what I think. Oh, I like that first one. That's a pretty color. Do any of you guys use this palette at home? Let me know. Be honest, how bad do I look with these freckles on? I really only followed like my natural freckle points that are still kind of there. Maybe I'm just not used to, I don't know. I don't know how I feel about it yet. I don't know that I have the face to pull off the fake freckle. You guys know the drill. Bronze your forehead and pray. Dear Lord, please strike down every human out there who is refusing to wear a face mask. Thank you so much. So that more of us who are following the rules will not die. Thank you, thank you, thank you. That wasn't a nice prayer. I shouldn't pray for anyone to get striked down. But by the beard of Zeus, people, wear your damn masks. Unreal. I love this first bronzer. Ooh, I love it. I'm not sure there's many other colors in this palette I could use, but I could use them on the eyes for sure. But this first bronzer I do really like. Oh my god. Hit up that lower jawline. Gotta suck me right up. Corona has not been good to my thighs. I should say quarantine hasn't been good. Okay, I gotta blend out that bronzer. I got a little carried away. This is my Soul Body brush. It's for your body. I love it for my face though. And actually, I think it'll be good for my freckles. Kind of blend those out a little bit more, tone them down. I swear, running this brush over my bronzer after I'm done just kind of really softens it because I get a little heavy-handed. I can't lie. I love me the bronzer. It is amazing. I use it to set my whole face. Now I need to get another one so I can use it on the body because this one is dedicated to my face. My stomach hurts. Next for blush, I got this palette from Jouer. This is the Champagne and Macaroons palette. Macarons? Macarons? What's the correct pronunciation? I know in America a lot of us just say macaroons, but I don't know that it's macaroons. Is it macarons? Macaroni? Macaroni. I really want to go into this pink, but I'm assuming this one's going to be a little more fitting. So we'll mix them both. Get funky up in here. This is my Sigma F80 Air. It's actually a foundation brush, but it's another one of those brushes that I will just use for everything. As you guys have seen, we've now used it for blush and bronzer, and I use it for foundation, and it's just an everything brush. That blush is cute. It's got a little glow to it. And then let's also take the highlighter in the palette called Citrine. Ooh, she's pretty. That's too much, but pretty. Yes. That is so pretty. This is the Sigma F03 highlighter brush. Well, I think it's the cheekbone brush, technically, but, you know. Next for setting spray. Oh my god, we didn't put on mascara. I'm an idiot. We'll do that next. This is the Innisfree. I've never tried this brand before. I have no idea how to pronounce it correctly. Innisfree? I don't know. Dewy Glow Mist with Jeju Cherry Blossom. Wow, cherry blossoms are in, and I think we've said cherry blossom like 5 times in this video. I'm not even kidding you. But it looks cute. Hi. This is so me eye makeup. It's my favorite. I wish I would have done eye makeup like this for my wedding. I know it's a lot. It's like too much for some people, but it's so me. Okay, I like to test the squirt first. Okay. Sorry. I hate myself. That is cherry blossom smelling for sure. That is intense. Okay. I hate my hairline. Do you see how ridiculous my stupid hairline is? I spray it with hairspray, everything, you know? I just want it to be nice and clean. I have so many random small hairs there. I don't get it. And then for mascara, this is not new, but I've never tried it. It's the Cartier, can you imagine? Cartier mascara. It's the Ciate London Wonderland mascara. I've seen good things about this. I've never used it. I like an itch. Do you hate when you like just finish your makeup and you have like a weird itch that like if you didn't have makeup on, you would like go to town on it, but because you have makeup on, you have to like tap it? That's so unsatisfying. All right, let's give her a go. It says good stuff. Extreme lash length, intense volume and curl. I'll be the judge of that, thank you. I'm not gonna wear falsies because I hate them. Oh, I love this mascara. This is looking good. Hi, new favorite mascara of all time. You are gorgeous. Where have you been all my life? I haven't used a whole lot of Ciate. Am I saying it right? I'm an idiot. I haven't used a whole lot of their products, so I really want to try more. I feel like they had a nail line that I was really obsessed with a few years ago. Holy crap, holy. This is the best mascara I've like ever used in my entire life. Where have I been? Do you see this? I mean, it's crazy. Hi, lashes. How are you? Look at that. And I have little tiny itty bitty lashes. So I'm so stoked about this mascara. You beautiful lady. You are going in my immediate desk drawer use. I have a drawer right in front of me. And like, this is my life. In this one drawer. Out of all the makeup, this drawer is the most important thing in my life. Because it contains nail glue, face shaver, tweezers, eyeliner, and now this mascara. Like, this is my necessity drawer, okay? Woo! For lip liner, I'm using an oldie but a goodie. This is ColourPop's Oh Snap lip liner. Oh, she's such a beauty. And then on top of that, we're using this Jouer lip gloss in this, oh, these names are getting so fancy. They should have known I can't pronounce this. Parisian? Am I that dumb? Yep. You guys hate when I call myself dumb. I don't mean it. I don't think I'm dumb, but like, you know, sometimes I'm kind of dumb, so. Oh, this is a beautiful. Okay, I'm like obsessed with this color. Wow. It was like the exact color I needed. Jouer! Oh my god! This is the prettiest pink I think I've ever seen in my life. Ooh! Who is she? I don't think I look half bad. Okay. I think because like I haven't literally gone out since like March. I haven't done like a good like date night look or anything like hot. So I feel like good. Ladies and gents, if you're at home feeling kind of down in the dumps, like paint yourself the hottest you've ever looked. I'm telling you. I've never looked better than in this moment, I swear. This is like the epitome of a shea face. Like, this is what I like. I'm digging it. I didn't even tell you guys about my nails today. This is Lights Lacquer Jeffa. It is like one of my favorite Lights Lacquer shades ever. That is it for today's look. I am feeling this so hardcore. And I was right. I think after I added all the other layers like bronzer and blush and highlighter, I liked the freckles a lot better. Again, that was the ColourPop Freckle Pen. Everything I used today will be linked down below. I am so digging this face. And please don't forget to go to my Instagram and enter my Raw Beauty Kristi and Pure Minerals eyeshadow palette giveaway. I am so stoked to be able to give that to one of you guys. You will love it. And I think, are they still sold out right now? I can't remember. So this could be your way to get one, like next week. Like I can ship it to you, you'll get it ASAP. Like go enter my giveaway. Instagram, tell your friends. If you have any friends still looking for that palette, give them my Instagram, tell them to go follow the rules, enter. One of you guys can win a palette for yourself. So I'm really excited to do that for you guys. Thank you so much for watching and being here today. I think it was a bit of a long video and probably just a lot of hoopla. And I just appreciate you being here so much. So thank you guys. Make sure you're subscribed and I will talk to you again later this week. I love you. Bye.